We are now back in Jakarta for the final workshop that we are holding together with our partners from CSIS and LIDI.
Our research design involved two teams. On the one hand, the field-based data collection in 3 research regions, namely Bali, Lombok, and Manado, that was conducted by the IDOS and CSIS team. And the digital data collection led by our colleagues from Yayasan LIDI to answer our overarching research question, which was how do civil society actors mobilize collective action for marine and coastal conservation under conditions of shrinking space.
The study Localizing Sustainable Action, the role of online and offline networks in Indonesia, examines how civil society actors organize collective sustainability action and how online and offline networks interact in this process. In terms of content, the focus is on SDG 14, Life Below Water, particularly on coastal conservation, because Indonesia, as the world's largest archipelago, faces significant ecological challenges, but coastal tourism is at the same time a dominant economic driver.
During the 2 months before we left, we worked closely with our team leads to shape the project, narrow our focus, and choose our methods. We also had several calls with our partner institutions, CSIS for example, and one of their junior researchers even visited us in Bonn, which made the collaboration much more concrete from the very start.
What is special about this program, to my mind, is really this combination of analytical work and hands-on training in project management. Because our participants do not just learn about international cooperation in theory, they have to run a full project cycle in an international setting.
What was most valuable for me was conducting field research together in Manado, Lombok, and Bali. And this included co-designing the research approach, conducting data collection with local stakeholders, and we also carried out direct field observation. And beyond the technical work, sharing Indonesian culture made the collaboration more meaningful, and it built stronger connection within the team.
The cooperation between CSIS and IDOS has been both long-standing and highly productive. Over time, our partnership has evolved beyond technical collaboration into a shared intellectual journey. This collaboration is grounded in mutual respect, trust, and strong commitment to supporting one another. These principles have enabled the partnership to remain sustained and meaningful.